All right, traders. So we are 2 minutes away from the opening. I had an earlier entry on the NASDAQ for a sell, but the price action I'm seeing right now in 1 minute, I'm beginning to think maybe I should close my position and wait for the opening, because I don't want to be in a situation whereby I have to go and look for much better, entry. Yeah, I'm risking it by $100, and that's exactly the $100 I need to make. So it doesn't make sense. So anyway, let's wait and see. Let us wait and see, guys. So why am I selling actually? If you notice something, since the beginning of yesterday, since midnight, NASDAQ was selling, so it's like a drop kind of a thing. So it's possible that the sell just continue, although the pre-market now is trying to push up, and that is another thing. Sometimes when the pre-market is trying to go up that way, the actual opening itself as well can push up. Okay, so market open already and the buys are flying up. Oh la la, it's actually approaching my stop loss. It's approaching my stop. It's approaching my stop. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna wait for the first 5 minutes anyway. It has not reached my stop loss, but because of the volume of buys that is actually going, I don't know what it might do. My stop loss also is not really in the best place in terms of positioning the stop loss. It's also not in the best of place. So, but we'll see. We would see. We would see. If I take a stop loss, that's the end of it today. I'm coming back to tomorrow. So basically, yeah, it's pretty close to my stop actually, because my stop is somewhere here. Now my stop was 109 thereabout. So most of the time in this week, the NASDAQ open has always opened with a buy. Like, it doesn't open selling, it opens with a buying pressure, and that is something I've noticed for this week. The NASDAQ candle just started, with a buying pressure. And that's the same thing. That's the same way it had actually traded all throughout this week. Whoa, guys, it's very close to my stop. Ooh la la. It's very close to my stop. I think NASDAQ is gonna take my stop loss. It's so sad. It's very close to my stop already. And let's see. Hopefully some magic happens and then they decide to start selling. By any magic, if NASDAQ decides to start selling, it should to give me a lot of profit. Let's see S&P 500. US 30 on the other hand is actually selling. So if US 30 is selling, NAS 100 and S&P 500 doing their own as well. It's a little bit I think it's a little too early to tell, but if I have the opportunity to close the position right now, I potentially might close. All right, so we're seeing some pullback right now, but I hope that the pullback can actually be enough to take us into profit. And even so, sellers are also stepping in from the high, and that would be a good thing, to see that we actually pull back and maybe even start going into profit. If we start going into profits, it would mean that, okay, we do have a chance that this we do have a chance that we might make money today. Or maybe we should just like close the trade right now because the market is giving us the opportunity to do so. The market structure is still very bearish, so if you're able to put your stop loss correctly, like, you know, in the place where it should be, then technically, like, you have no issue. The only thing right now is that where my stop loss is not the best place. So if I should lose this trade, then I'm back to like looking for a complete $250 profit, right? Let's see. Sellers should just come into the market and you know, like, just put a lot of pressure on the market. It's gonna be so nice. Anyway, let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. NAS 100. NAS 100. Selling the NASDAQ. Selling the NASDAQ. We're selling the NASDAQ. Okay. Let me go studio mode here. All right, so let's wait for a moment, guys. I'm on a sell and I'm in drawdown. I'm in a drawdown. I'm in a drawdown about $57. Oh, let me see. I should be able to share my MetaTrader 5 with you. The issue with MetaTrader 5 that I had recently was my network. My Starlink was misbehaving a lot and I wasn't able to share my trade with you, but I think it should have been resolved today. So let me try and open it up. Let me try and open it up. Okay. Actually, my my trade is opening up. My trade is opening up. And yeah, so you can see my trade now actually. So this is the trade I'm on right now, and you can potentially see I was in a drawdown, but now it seems like we might actually start going into profits because I like this price action on the 5 minutes. If this current 5 minute, if it close very strong, the way it's trying to close, it is going to be very nice. It means that we might actually make money, you know. It means that we might actually make money. It means we might make money. So let's have a look see. 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 So we are having rejection already on that level. Oh wow, I'm back in profit. Oh nice. If this candle can go this way, it means that we are really going to sell. Like if this candle can close, this current 5 minutes candle, if it can close very strong like this in the next 2 minutes, we would make money. But let's hope that everything hold up. Let's hope everything holds up. It would be nice to see. It would be nice to see. We would love to make profits today. Definitely, we would love to make profits. I'll be happy to make profit, guys. I'll be very happy to make profits. I will be very happy to make profits. And let's see what we're targeting here. 23,397. So we're having rejection, but All right, guys. Let's give it a moment. It's looking like we might actually make profit, guys. So the price is already rejecting from that level, and it's pushing. So hopefully we do make profit. Oh, it's actually going in our direction right now, $23. Once we are like $50, $60 profit, I'm going to go break even. So with that, that will mean that the trade will no longer be with any risk, right? That would mean the trade is no longer with any risk. Okay, I think we're gonna sell, guys. We're making money! Yo, that's so cool, guys. We're making money. It's such a relief right now. I think we're gonna make money, guys. We are going to make money. We're gonna make money. Okay, let's see. Can I set I'm trying to see if I can set break even already. So this 23,565. 23,560. So I just set break even on all my so I'm gonna go break even now, guys. I don't want to keep risking any more money on this trade. If it is not going to, so I'm risking now I'm risking very small more money now, instead of risking the entire profit I was risking before. I'm now risking lesser. Now I'm risking about 27. I still keep things, I give it some space so that, because it's still very volatile right now, it's possible that we get some crazy pullback. Anyway, let me just set the break even properly. All right, so I set my break even to $2. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I love that push. I love the way the candle closes. So now we just need to see a follow up from the seller side. Man, if we can get like a 70 pip follow up from the sellers, that will be good. Then we are done. We will be done. Let's go, Mr. NASDAQ. Let's go, Mr. NASDAQ. So the first thing I did already on this trade is I went break even, meaning that we're no longer risking nothing. So I'm about to be taking out on break even, so that is not good. Let's hope that they don't take me out on break even. If they take me out on break even, then I will have to be patient to look for another entry later. All right, they took me out on break even. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So, but we do know that now NASDAQ is bearish. Now that I'm out on break even, what should I do? Oh la la, the volatility is a lot right now. I'm trying to see if I can do a second entry, if I can re-enter, but I don't know. From where would I enter from? Maybe we'll just give it some time. Like we'll give it some time and see. We'll give it some time and see. I think I set my break even very tight. Like I should have given it some space, because there's a chance that it just start going down from there. So if I get any pullback, I might just re-enter the trade actually. If I get any like pullback to the upside, I might re-enter the trade again. If I get any major pullback, I would re-enter for the sell. If I get any pullback, I will re-enter the sell. Now I wouldn't want it to actually leave me as well, which is very possible. Let's see. Let's see. Well, that was so fast. Like it took me out and then it's dropping again. So now I'm just trying to see if you know, how to be patient to get a re-entry, because the volume right now is pushing. Well, I was stop at a break even, but it's not nice, and now it's going in our direction. I set my break even very tight. I didn't like give it any room to. But there's a chance that we actually get a re-entry. If I get a re-entry, I'm gonna put like a, you know, I'm gonna use like a faster lot size this time around. Very likely. So I'm still looking for re-entry actually. I'm looking for re-entry on that same level. And I'm looking for re-entry on the same level. Either from the same level or a little higher. If it goes a little higher from that level, I would even be much happy to take a re-entry from the same level that I took initially. It would be very nice. So if I saw a re-entry from the same level that I entered initially, I would be so happy from there. I want to pass this whole challenge like today. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait again. I don't want to wait. Oh, okay. We're very close. We're very close to the entry level. We're very close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go. Oh, okay. It's so fast. The price is moving so fast that I'm almost unable to enter. So I'm thinking right now that the momentum is pushing high. That's oh, okay. Guys, I enter for a sell again, even though it's pushing in the opposite direction, but I'm thinking that the sell might actually happen. Hopefully it happens, but I'm still risking the same amount of money as before. I just re-entered the trade, literally retook the same trade. You know, I retook the same trade, guys. I retook the same trade, but this time around I'm putting my stop above the high that we just created, the high that we created in this session. So that is my stop. It's not looking good yet. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. I don't want to get stopped out. I don't want to get stopped out. So technically as well, buyers are also really pushing the price higher, but that is fine because technically speaking, we are having, you know, we are having like NASDAQ doing, it shouldn't go beyond this particular level here. So, oh man, I think I'm gonna take a stop loss, a real stop loss this time. I might take a real stop loss this time. I don't want to take stop loss. Nah, I don't want to take stop loss. So it's possible that NASDAQ went back to retest the high that it just created, and from there it can start to reject for the second time. So hopefully that would be what is happening, and if that is exactly what's happening, then that would be so cool because it means that we can actually get a better trade, you know, to the downside. Now I'm risking how much here? $87. Okay, let's see. $87. We just need $100 profits. We just need $100 profits. Can you come back, Mr. NASDAQ? Mr. NASDAQ, can you come back? Give us $100 of profits. So I'm at 145. Oh, if I'm at 145, that means I need 105 profits. Okay. All right, guys. How much am I risking? I'm risking yeah, it's these. So this is risking 8K, and this is risking 12. That's 20K. Ooh, that's huge money. Huge money, huge money, huge money. All right, guys. Let's see how it goes. So I did a second entry on the NASDAQ, and I'm hoping that it plays out. I'm hoping that it works out, actually. I took a second entry on the NASDAQ. I literally took the second entry. Where is it? Similarly, like at the same place I entered initially. And now though, my stop is behind the high that we did previously. That's where my stop loss is. So, oh, you cannot see my face cam. All right, guys. So I re-enter a trade, and then it's currently floating in drawdown. It's floating in drawdown, guys. I honestly don't like this type of trade whereby the price is going up, it's going down, it's going up. It gives like a heart attack sometimes. It gives like some kind of it gives you like some kind of like pressure in the mind. If I take the stop loss, guys, that's gonna be the end of trading for today. We just come back tomorrow. But the formation that happened, we're not supposed to see price going back to the upside based on this current formation, though. The market is the market, so we're not the market. So because of that, anything can happen. So just so make sure that I'm sure. Let me put it right here. Let me put it right here. For the second time, we're going for the stop loss. Why? 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 NASDAQ, why? Don't go for stop loss. Don't go for the stop loss. Don't go for the stop loss. Like, NASDAQ is doing everything it can today to go for the stop loss. It's quite funny though, yeah. It's quite funny. All right, guys. Anyway, let's just leave it. Let us leave the market alone. It is what it is. It is what it is. We're gonna make money today. We're gonna make money today. How many times can I say we're gonna make money today and then we would actually make money today? Like if I keep saying, oh, we'll make money today, we'll make money, are we actually gonna make money today? Somebody said it's not by saying it though. I mean, $60 drawdown minus $60. The funniest thing is that the direction that the trade is going, like that's exactly the money we need in profits. Like instead of going in red, it should have been going in blue so we can make money and pass. Oh la la. The first trade when the first time it closed me at a break even, the trade was at the point it was at $49, I think, and then it started reversing a lot. So now though, it's starting to form like a bullish character on the 1 minute already. So potentially it might mean that oh man, we are almost at stop loss. $87 stop loss. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna take stop loss, guys. I think I'm gonna eat stop loss. Oh, I eat stop loss on my Naira account, but then I'm almost hitting stop loss on. So NASDAQ already changed character now to bullish, so that means something. That might mean that we are potentially going to take stop loss. My stop is still above the current price level. So you know how my balance is 145. So I'm risking how much? I'm just trying to see maybe, you know, if the price is going to, for any reason, push lower. But I'm risking about 128. I'm risking like the balance on my account right now. Wow, and this is the direction we would have make money. If we have bought, we'll have make money if we buy. Yeah. Shit hits the fans, guys. We are in deeper drawdown now. Not in drawdown, but at least all the profit on the phase 2 is gone. So literally now we need to restart afresh and look for new trades and go again. That's trading, man. Sometimes you make and then you give back to the market. So it sucks, but it sucks. It does sucks. It sucks. It sucks. Now, do I think that sellers are going to step into the market? Absolutely not. Because even if they will step into the market, they're supposed to step in from somewhere here and they didn't. So, and what makes us think that from the top, they are now going to step in? The good thing that could happen is not losing, is this thing really from here going back into profit? And then I can close in profits, at least in any small profits, because it's not looking good right now. If anything, we're gonna take stop loss and we will need to look for another trade. Yeah, I've not lost any trade today. So in terms of risk reward, I mean daily drawdown, the daily drawdown is $200. So this trade right now, if it's fully hits my stop loss, that's 128. That means we would have lost about $135 today. And if that happens, that means that we need to come back tomorrow because I cannot take any trade again today, technically. So I'm thinking that if NASDAQ is buying this way, does it really want to go and take the previous day high? Like, is that the target? Could that be the target? Because on trading view, okay, yeah, I'm not sharing the trading view. Let me share the trading view with you guys. You can see on trading view right now, though my stop is a little bit here. I changed my stop loss and I'm almost taking a complete stop loss, guys. Like, what the heck? Like, complete stop loss. So actually that second entry was an impulsive entry. It wasn't like a confirmation entry again. I did it because I felt, you know what, the price has already done some initial formation and I went for it. But it was impulse, and now I gave back all the profit I made. On my Naira account I was trading, or a live account I was trading, and I made profit, but I gave back the profit already to the markets, to the market. Whoosh, I'm about to take full stop loss, guys. It sucks, man. It sucks to take full stop loss. 128, Abby. I have 140. Oh, see, I just took full stop loss, guys. I just took full stop loss. Okay. It is what it is. All right, so right now, let me check my equity edge account. My account is basically back to, let me see, back to $5,000. So I need $250 right now. I need to go and make $250 in order to actually pause. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make any sense. Let me see. So I should have known actually that, yeah, after that rejection and all, The next entry should have been at the later top, but it is what it is. I was actually anticipating that the sell would continue, and I get cooked. We're gonna go do it again, guys. We have to come back again, obviously tomorrow. So phase 2 continues, and obviously I really wish that this trade would have passed. I wanted to make $100, and the $100 was taken away from me, and not the best of feeling right now. Let's see. Let me show you. So you can see right now, account is back to $5,014. Now I need to make $235. So technically, if I can find a trade that is going to go 235 points, I might pass the challenge actually. Like one trade that's going to keep going up or keep going down. And it's funny how the buy trade is just going. I'm not anticipating the buy. Although I have this as a demand zone, yeah. But the demand zone was broken. And see what it's doing now. It's buying. Sometimes the whole formation of the market is very unpredictable. Totally unpredictable. All right, guys, let's go and call it a day. I can no longer enter any trade today because it's kind of a give and take today. I lost 135 today. Yeah, we'll come back stronger tomorrow. We'll give it a different approach, and I think we're gonna smash this very soon. And let's go have an amazing day, guys. We'll see you again. Bye for now, guys.